Having trouble getting your Spectrum modem to connect after self-install? Let's break down the most common issues and how to fix them. The two main culprits are activation problems and weak coax signals. Through the Spectrum app or website using your account number and activation code from the self-install kit. If you've already done this, let's focus on the coax signal. Make sure the RG6 cable is securely connected to both the modem's F connector and the wall outlet, with no kinks or damage. The modem lights, especially the USDS upstream-downstream lights, should stabilize to indicate a connection. If these lights are blinking or off, it usually means a signal problem. We'll dive deeper into coax troubleshooting in the next section. If your Spectrum modem isn't connecting due to a weak coax signal, start by checking your signal strength. Optimal downstream signals range from -15 to +15 dB of R. You can often check this via the Spectrum app's diagnostic tools or by contacting Spectrum support. A signal below -15 dBmV indicates a weak signal. Common causes include splitters, which can weaken the signal, or loose connections. Try removing unnecessary splitters and tightening all coax connections. Ensure you're using high-quality RG6 coax cable. If you suspect a faulty splitter, consider replacing it. If these steps don't improve the signal, there might be an issue with the coax cable itself or the Spectrum service to your home, requiring professional assistance. Using the Spectrum app's AI-driven troubleshooting can also help pinpoint the problem, offering real-time diagnostics and suggesting fixes. As a last resort, contact Spectrum support for assistance.